Amazon isn't just an online store anymore. It's quietly becoming the most powerful infrastructure company on the planet. Beyond the packages, there's an AI empire being built. Robots are running fulfillment centers. Alexa isn't just answering questions, it's taking action. And AWS is the backbone of the entire AI ecosystem. This isn't hype, this is real. And it is exactly why Amazon is my biggest holding and I'm still buying. Most people see Amazon as a place you order your toilet paper or find random deals. It's a website you go to when you want something fast, cheap, and by tomorrow. But what most people miss is Amazon is becoming the backbone of the modern economy. Behind the website, behind the packages, there's something massive happening. Amazon is rebuilding itself with two powerful tools, artificial intelligence and robotics. And it's not in a gimmicky, trendy way. I mean deep fundamental changes that affect how Amazon runs, how it sells, how it ships, how it supports customers, and how it makes money. They're infusing AI into every customer experience, and they're using robotics to rebuild the logistics empire from the ground up. If they get this right, which I truly believe they will, they won't just become the most efficient company in the world. They'll become the most powerful one. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how AI and robotics are changing Amazon. Not in theory, but in actual practice. Backed by real data, hard numbers, and CEO quotes. Let's start with what Amazon is doing with artificial intelligence. They're not just adding a chatbot to their homepage. They're fundamentally changing how the company thinks and operates with AI at its core. CEO Andy Jassy said that generative AI is the most powerful technology of our time, and Amazon is treating it that way. Right now, Amazon has over 1,000 AI initiatives active inside the company today. These are not side experiments. They're rolling out new AI tools in every part of their business. Retail, AWS, advertising, customer service, and logistics. Take Alexa. They built Alexa Plus, a complete change of the voice assistant. It's no longer just reactive, it's proactive. It doesn't just answer questions for you, it takes action for you. Order groceries, make reservations, turn on your lights, order a new pair of headphones from Amazon or elsewhere. It's not just smart, it's actually useful. Jassy called it game-changing, and it's included with Prime. There are over 600 million Alexa-enabled devices out there. That's a massive footprint just waiting to be upgraded by AI. And that's only one example. They've added a Buy For Me AI agent, visual shopping using image recognition, and tools recommending different clothing size depending on how different brands fit on you. Sellers now use AI to automatically write better product listings. Advertisers use Amazon's AI to create campaigns faster, test more creatives, and improve click-through rate. Even internally, Amazon is using AI to figure out where inventory should go, how much to stock in each warehouse, and which customers are most likely to return items. AI is not an experiment at Amazon, it's infrastructure. So where is the AI running? Most of it, both inside of Amazon and the broader economy, is running on AWS, Amazon Web Services. And this is where things get even more exciting. AWS is Amazon's cloud division. It brought in $30.9 billion last quarter and accounted for more than half of Amazon's total operating profit. It's one of the most profitable infrastructure businesses on the planet. But AWS isn't just about storage and compute anymore. It's rapidly becoming the central hub for enterprise AI. Let me break this down. Amazon builds their own custom AI chips called Trainium and Inferentia. These chips offer up to 40% better price performance compared to traditional GPUs, which is a huge deal. Why? Because while training a model like ChatGPT is expensive, what's really expensive is inference. Running the model over and over again every time somebody asks it a question or a prompt. Jess said outright that inference will represent the majority of AI costs moving forward. And AWS is positioning itself as a low-cost, highest scale provider of AI inference infrastructure. This is how Amazon wins. They did it with cloud, and now they're doing it with AI. With services like Bedrock, AWS customers can access a wide range of the top tier models. Claude, Llama, Stability, Amazon's own Nova, all with a simple API and managed infrastructure. Amazon also invested $4 billion in Anthropic, the company behind Claude. Anthropic now trains its models on AWS chips and uses AWS as its primary cloud. The takeaway here is simple. Amazon is building the platforms that power the AI economy. And every AI company, from startups to Fortune 500s, needs infrastructure. Now let's talk about the part of Amazon that nobody gives enough credit to: robotics. Amazon is not just an online store, it's one of the largest logistics and operation networks in the world. And they're automating it at a speed and scale that is truly hard to believe. As of mid-2025, Amazon has over 1 million robots deployed across their warehouses and fulfillment centers. They're working alongside humans to sort, move, pick, and ship billions of packages. There are now over 20 different types of robots they use. Hercules robots carry entire shelves. Sparrow picks individual items. Pegasus sorts packages. Proteus roams the floor freely. And then there's Digit, a two-legged humanoid robot built to walk, balance, and unload delivery vans. In Amazon's newest fulfillment centers, robotic equipment has increased 10x and is paying off. They have achieved a 25% reduction in fulfillment costs in those next-gen warehouses. That is billions in savings. Over the last decade, productivity per Amazon worker has increased 22x. Not because workers are working harder, but robots are doing more of the heavy lifting. It's not just warehouse automation either. Amazon is actively testing autonomous delivery vans with Zoox. They're piloting drones for 60-minute deliveries through Prime Air, and they're building AI software to let humanoid robots walk up to your front door and drop off packages. This is the future of logistics, and Amazon is building it robot by robot. This is where everything starts to connect. What makes Amazon so dangerous and so exciting for investors is every part of their business strengthens the other one. Robots make fulfillment cheaper and faster. Faster delivery increases customer satisfaction and conversion rates. More conversions mean more Prime members, more shopping, and more revenue. More shopping means more data. That data feeds into AI systems. Better AI makes smarter recommendations, improves ads, and drives even more sales. Meanwhile, sellers use AI tools to grow faster. Advertisers get better results. AWS gets more AI workloads to power and more infrastructure to build. All of it loops. It is not a straight line, it's a flywheel. Each spin of the wheel makes Amazon harder to compete with, cheaper to run, faster to respond, and smarter to use. That's the moat. That's what nobody else has. Google might dominate search, Microsoft might have OpenAI, but Amazon owns the rails, the trains, the warehouses, the voice assistants, the ad network, the servers, the chips, and soon even maybe delivery robots. The scope of it is mind-blowing. When I look at Amazon, I don't just see a company selling things. I see a company quietly embedding itself into the infrastructure of modern life. They're building the highways that AI runs on. They're automating warehouses while everybody else is hiring. They're turning Alexa into a home assistant, AWS into an AI engine for enterprise, and their logistics network into something that nobody can compete with. Andy Jassy said it best. Those who embrace this change will help us reinvent the company. And that's exactly what they're doing. Nobody else on earth is transforming their business this aggressively across this many verticals at this kind of scale. And most investors still think this is just an online store. This is why Amazon is my largest holding and why I am still buying. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Amazon destined to become the most powerful company on earth, or are we overhyping what AI and robotics will really do? If you got any value from this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and push my videos out to other people. I've got more deep dives coming soon and would love to have you on this journey. To close this off, I want to say this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. This is just the research I've done and why I'm investing in Amazon.